Hello, in this video we're going to show you how to add interior walls to your house. First thing we're going to do is sign in to Homestyler. I'm going to sign in through Google. And now that I have my account logged in, I'm going to go up to my icon here and choose My Designs. When I open this up, I see that I have the project that I started last time. So I'm going to click Edit Design. So what I need to do today is I need to think about the rooms and the space that I'm going to use in here. And I have to be aware that I might have to change some of these wall dimensions, but I still want to keep this under 1,200 square feet when I'm done. So the requirements for this assignment are to have 3 bedrooms. Those bedrooms need to have closets. You need to have 1 bathroom, 1 living room, a kitchen, a coat closet, and you need to be able to create it in such a way that you can flow from one area to another. So I'm just going to start by going up to my draw menu and choose these walls that are called by edge. And I'm just going to start dividing up the space and not really worrying a whole lot about what I'm putting where. I'm just going to start some different places here. I know that I need to have an area where I'm going to have 2 bedrooms and another bedroom. Maybe I'll have another area where I'm going to have a bathroom. I might make this, hit Control Z to get rid of that. You can see that my tool won't go away here, so I'm going to click it and then hit Escape to get out of this tool, and I'm going to hit Control Z to get rid of that wall. Now I can go back in and select this tool again, and I think I'm just going to extend this wall here, and this might end up being my kitchen. There we go. So now I need to divide this room up. And right now I'm not too concerned about which rooms take up what space. I just need to make sure I have all the rooms that I'm looking for. Now, this bedroom looks like it's about 10.5 by 13, so it could be a little bit smaller. I'm going to shrink this up a little bit. This room is now 11 by 11. So these 2 could maybe be bedrooms. This is a pretty big bedroom. This might be a master bedroom. And here, bathrooms are usually at least 5 feet wide, and they are usually at least 8 feet long. So I'm going to make this a little bit shorter. That's also going to leave room to add a door here later. And then down here, I'm going to make this room quite a bit smaller. A master bedroom that's maybe 14 feet is still pretty good. So we have 2 bedrooms that are a little over 11 feet by a little over 11 feet. And then we have our kitchen area and our living room area here. Maybe what I want to do here is I need to add my coat closet or my storage closet. So I'm going to make that even. So this might double. This might be a closet for this bedroom, and this might be a closet for storage. I'm going to take and continue this wall to make my kitchen. Okay, I'm going to hit Escape to unselect this tool, and I'm just going to start moving walls around. I think my house got a little bit too big. Alright. So I need to add closets for the bedrooms. So one way to do that is make kind of a narrow room in between the 2 bedrooms and divide that up. I'm going to hit escape to unselect this tool again. Now that I've added these closets, I can see that I've made this room too small. So I'm going to make this room a little bit bigger. There we go. So I still have an area here for my kitchen, but now my kitchen's starting to look kind of small. My living room's looking really big. So maybe what I'll do is I'll pull this down, make my kitchen a little bit bigger, and I'll end up putting a doorway through here into this closet area. Maybe I'll bring that down. There we go. So when I click on a room, I can go to this menu over here, and they have a whole list of different rooms I can call this. So I'm going to call this a bedroom. I'm going to click on this one. I'm going to call it a bedroom. So I'm going to select this closet here. I'm going to name this one storage room. I'll do that for all my closets. This is going to be our master bedroom since it's bigger. Oh, not a bathroom. Master bedroom. This here is going to be our bathroom. And this here will be the living room. We'll name this one here a kitchen. Now we've labeled all of our rooms. We have, each bedroom has a way to get into it and is also on an exterior wall where we can add a window, and we'll call that good. So I'm going to go up here and save my work, and then I'm going to screenshot my work. So I can add it to my portfolio. Then I'm going to go into my portfolio. I'm going to right click on my portfolio and hit paste. I'm going to resize my assignment and place it over this text box on the left. And then down in this bottom text box, I am going to explain what I did today.